to take the window crank off, I recommend a tool like this because there's a clip in there. Normally it's supposed to be facing the handle end. So normally you always want to put the opening of the clip facing the handle so it goes down and this pushes against it. Some people put it in backwards, which I don't recommend. So you gotta get between that plastic washer. So that's the clip. Just basically locks it in. I like to put it back the way the factory usually sets them, which is this way. So in the future, the person knows to go through the handle and pops right off. Then this washer goes on like that. So it looks like you have two plastic push pins right here. Use my pocket screwdriver. One, and then two. Then in the handle, shall I say, there's a little trap door. Definitely need a little screwdriver. Just take a screwdriver and push that lever like this, and hopefully it pops up. Like that. There it is. And you have two Phillips heads in there. So with a Phillips screwdriver, one and then two. Let's get those out of the way. And now with my trim tool, I'm going to try to get in between the two here. Find a spot. There it is. Stop popping. And then the last thing is a little trap door here on the interior handle. Pull down on that. Get that out of the way. And there's our last screw with the Phillips head. And now that we pop all the panel pieces off all the way around, there we go, just lift up. Now you can just rest the door panel like this, and here is the actual door cable going to that inner handle. So this tab right down here, if you pull down on that and lift up, there it is. So it comes right out of the hook. There's a hook piece in there for that inner handle. Now to remove the handle, there's a tab right up here in the front. I'm going to push down on that tab. And remove the handle. Now to install the inside door handle, go at an angle like that, and then clip it in. And then we will put the cable back in. That's going to be this cable goes into the handle itself. Just give it a pull, give it a little extra so that you can line it up. And see that guide snaps down in there. So the only thing you really have to make sure you do is get that lock rod in the area. And we're going to put the trim right up on top of this windowsill. Like that. Pay attention to the lock. There you go. If you tilt the panel like that, now we're going to go around, make sure that everything's lined up, and just push it in. Feels good. Let's put our trim piece in. Put our two screws in for the handle. Put that trim piece back in. It's got a lock tab in the front that slides in. So you're going to slide that in like that and push down. Put the mounting screw in for the interior handle. And then this plastic piece has these little ears that are going to sit down in the bottom tab. Click it in. So now we're going to put the window crank handle on. Put that washer like that. Now the window's partially down, so I'm going to put it like this. Line up the splines, push it on, and roll the window up.